How to fix QuickBooks error 15241 payroll update failed issue. 3 quick solutions. Solution 1. Download the updates as an administrator. Step 1. First, close QuickBooks. Step 2. Right-click on QuickBooks icon and select Run as administrator. Step 3. Select Yes to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Step 4. Now open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 5. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 6. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 7. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 8. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 9. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Step 10. Next, you need to download the latest payroll tax table update. To do this, go to Employees. Step 11. Then select Get Payroll Updates. Step 12. Check the number next to the you are using tax table version. Step 13. Then select Download Entire Update and click on OK. Solution 2. Run Quick Fix My Program via QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 2. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Step 3. Next, select Quick Fix My Program and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 4. Once done, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub and select Installation Issues. Step 2. Select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool. Step 3. It'll take about 20 minutes to fix the issue. Step 4. Once done, restart the computer. Step 5. Open QuickBooks and try to update the payroll. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.